In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to template tasks in ClickUp. Use automations to standardize your process. First, go to ClickUp and open the workspace and location where you want this process to live. Automations are scoped to where you create them, so decide whether this should run at the space, folder, or list level. If you're standardizing a specific workflow, the list level is usually the cleanest place to start. Make sure you have permission to manage automations in that location. If you can't see the options I mentioned next, you may need an admin to grant access. Next, click on Automation. You'll typically find this at the top of your view or in the toolbar for the list you're working in. Opening the automation panel shows any rules already in place, which is helpful to avoid duplicates or conflicts. Give yourself a moment to scan what's there so you don't stack overlapping rules that do the same thing. Now, click on Create Automation. You can start from scratch or pick a suggested recipe if one matches your use case. Starting from scratch gives you more control, which is handy when you're building a templated task workflow. From here, customize how you want the automation to run. Begin by choosing a clear trigger. Something like when a task is created in this list, when a status changes to in progress, or when a specific custom field is updated. Add conditions to narrow it down, for example, only when a certain tag is present or when priority equals high. This keeps your automation focused and prevents it from firing on every single task. Then define the actions that will create consistency. For templated tasks, select actions that apply your task template or create new tasks or subtasks based on a template you've already saved. Pair that with actions to auto-assign owners, set due dates relative to the trigger, apply priorities, fill custom fields, and add watchers. If your process includes a standard checklist or subtasks, have the automation add them automatically so nothing gets missed. Use smart due dates like 1 day after trigger or end of next business day to keep timelines realistic. As you finish, name the automation clearly, choose an informative description, and confirm it's enabled. A quick test on a sample task helps you verify that the right template, assignees, and dates appear as expected. If anything looks off, adjust the trigger, conditions, or action order, then retest. When you're satisfied, you've successfully standardized your process with templated tasks powered by ClickUp Automations.